how to change Instagram username. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Instagram username, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change your Instagram username, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Instagram application here, and once you launch your Instagram app you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, you'll find this option right here known as edit profile. So tap the edit profile option here, and once you tap on the edit profile option, you'll find the option called username that you will be able to find it. Now you can simply enter the new username that you would like here, and then just tap the arrow icon from the top right in order to basically go ahead and then change your Instagram username. This way you can change the Instagram username. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.